Yes, sir! YouTube! What's happening with it, man? It's your boy, TRAVYJ. Back at you with another one. Hope everybody's feeling good, feeling blessed today on this beautiful Thursday. We almost to the weekend, y'all, and we got a few releases coming up. I want to say over tomorrow and Saturday. So we got a Jordan 3 for the ladies releasing on Saturday, the Valentine's Day joints. I did hit on JD Sports Finish Line, exclusive access for those, so I'll go and pick up that pair on Saturday and review those on the channel, but I don't plan on keeping that shoe. Unless my daughter wants them, I don't have any use for them, so I didn't get them in my size or anything like that. Not a shoe that I would wear personally, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if my daughter wants them, and if she doesn't want them, they got the dough, or I'll sell them on Instagram or something like that, put them up for sale and they can get them for retail, take them off my hands, something like that. But also we do have tomorrow, we have the Travis Scott joints. I forget the name of them, the Jackson something. I'll try for those. Definitely probably won't keep that in the collection as well. That's just a shoe that I'm not into, you know what I'm saying? But I would definitely go for it tomorrow to bring to the channel to review it. But once again, once that's done and over with, I'll probably let those go for retail as well. So just don't have any plans of keeping those shoes. And look, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it real with y'all. Over the next 3 or 4 weeks, I only got 2 shoes that's on my top priority list. That's Bread 1 High 85s and Galaxy Foam Posits. That's it. Honestly, those are the only 2 shoes that stick out for me for the month of February. Everything else, we can wait on. We can wait on those. We can double back and get those later. But those top 2 right there, those are the ones I'm going after. I'm putting all my effort and energy into. So just keeping y'all updated, man. Hopefully I can get a W on each one of those. Really, really do. Especially those high 85s, man. I definitely got a chance with those. I got 2-3 stores in Atlanta that's going to be getting pairs. So we'll see, man. Y'all just wish your boy luck on those, and Galaxy Foam Posits, all I can say is good luck, because I'm definitely gonna need it. But anyway, man, today I want to talk about a shoe that I had to double up on, y'all. This first double up of 2025, and one just wasn't enough, man. I needed 2 pairs of these, and just a very dope shoe in my opinion. And I also want to talk to y'all about 2 new shoes that just got announced from our guys, Z Sneakerheads, man. So we gotta talk about those, and hey, man, it's already 2026 somewhere, right? But before we dive on in, man, y'all go ahead and start this thing off right. Hit that like button for your boy. Hit that subscribe button as well. And if you are new around here, definitely pull up, man. Kick your feet back, relax, enjoy the show. Gotta let y'all know, and I haven't been saying this lately in my videos, this is a brand new channel, y'all. A lot of y'all are returning subscribers, and you may not realize that I do have a brand new channel. My other channel got deleted in 2023, so definitely check just to make sure you're still subscribed or resubscribe to this brand new channel. I had a couple people tell me that they already thought that they were subscribed, and I see a lot of familiar faces, a lot of familiar loyal subscribers as well, man. People that always comment on my videos. I just want to make sure that y'all are subscribed to the channel and not just seeing it when my videos pop up in the algorithm or anything like that. So just do me a favor real quick, double check, make sure you subscribe to this new channel. And like I said, I just want to keep this train rolling, man, because I'm definitely got big plans and big goals for this channel this year. So definitely just want to make sure that everybody is engaged and everybody is, catching my videos, and not just catching my videos sporadically on YouTube when I do drop them. So double check that real quick. Definitely truly appreciate it, man. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's keep this thing moving. Also, give me a follow over on Instagram at Mr. TRAVYJ, and as always, it'll truly be greatly appreciated. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Definitely excited for this second pair, man. I try not to double up on the shoes too much this year, but this one right here, I just couldn't resist, man. Retail, I can't beat it. So let's go ahead and dive into this unboxing, man. All right, y'all, so today, here we have it. The box, definitely caught this on a restock from Hibbett Sports, man. Big shout out to Hibbett Sports. They just been kind of restocking sporadically here and there since the initial early release. And hey, man, I had to go ahead and grab a pair. So, but yes, at retail price, this was a no-brainer. So let's go ahead and get them out of the box and let y'all check these out, man. One of the most hyped but limited shoes at the moment. And as you can see, we got the orange box, man. Orange Nike box. And I just reviewed this shoe a couple of days ago, so it shouldn't be no surprise about what it is. But opening up the box, yes, your boy had to go get a second pair of, yes sir, the Nike Air DIAMONDTURFs, man. Talk to me, y'all. Yes sir. Get these guys out of the box, man. Your boy had to double up on these, man. This is Man, one of the best shoes to release so far this year. And hey, I couldn't help it, man. Retail. Speaking of Diamond Turfs, they were supposed to do an official release date on tomorrow. Actually today. It's supposed to be today on Foot Locker, but that has since been delayed until Saturday, February 1st. So as you can see on the screen right here, man, that's the official release date. And hopefully that sticks. I don't want y'all to kill me in the comment section if they change it again, but as you can see on the Foot Locker calendar, there it is. The proof is in the pudding. Saturday, February 1st, these will officially release. Now, I don't know about every single Foot Locker getting them in store, but I know as far as online, that's what they're doing, man. February 1st on these, and you better act quick when they do release, I'm telling y'all, because these are going fast. Every time they restock online, they go instantly, literally. So I saw a couple of restocks on Hibbett Sports online as well on Soul Links, and they're only doing like random sizes at the moment. So I think the other morning I saw like 8 through 9.5 restocked. I think this morning I saw like 11.5 and only a 12. So I actually picked up a 12 on that. So I will have sizes available coming soon. Right now I know on the way I have 8 through 9.5, and once again that 12 I just mentioned. So right now confirmed I have 8 through 9.5, and I do have a size 12. I am going to try to get a couple more pairs on release day as well. So just hit me up on Instagram, Mr. TRAVYJ. I'm gonna post sizes on my story, and you know, hit me in the DM if you need a pair, if you are not able to secure a pair, because these are tough. These have been tough so far, but you know, I mean, as you can see why. I mean, very classic 90s shoe. This is just one of those 90s classics, man. I mean, this is a no-brainer when I saw them, and I remember how my 2017 pair looked. And if you didn't see my comparison video, check my video out that I posted the other day about these. I don't want these to yellow as fast as my 2017 pair did. So that's part of the reason as to me doubling up on these. I'm just gonna keep them on ice. I'm gonna keep them, you know, in a Ziploc bag, airtight, and I just want to preserve these, man, because there's no telling when we'll get these again. And this is just a beautiful shoe, man. I really enjoy this shoe, and it's just one of those shoes I couldn't get back, you know, in my childhood in the 90s, man. So nostalgic shoes like this, I have to grab them now that I'm older, and they're bringing all this stuff back. Just makes me relive my childhood, man. So, but as you can see, man, that gold Nike Air on the back is crazy with the red pull tab. One thing I did forget to mention, somebody pointed this out in the comment section, so I definitely wanted to mention this. On my comparison video, I did forget to mention the 2017 pair has a leather strap, and on the 2025 pair it's actually nubuck. So shout out to whoever it was, I can't remember his name, man, but he did point that out, that I did forget to mention that detail. So appreciate that for, you know, bringing that to my attention, and I can't believe I missed it because I was looking dead at the shoe and it's like right there in my face, but it's just one of those details I overlooked. But yes, the 2025 pair does have nubuck on the strap, and the 2017 pair had leather. So just another key difference in the two. Everybody's trying to get their hands on them right now. But be ready on Saturday. They are releasing again on Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, man, February 1st. So get ready. And it's probably gonna be a little tough because if you don't know, Foot Locker puts you in a queue. And they put you in this waiting room, and you got to wait for the little man to be walking across the screen. Tells you got, you know, however so minutes to wait until you can get in line. And man, just be ready. That's all I can say, man. Apple Pay be your best friend in situations like that. So, but yes, sir. Just wanted to let y'all know that your boy did secure a second pair of the Air Max Nike Air Diamond Turfs. And yeah, man, these will be going on ice, putting them up in the vault, man. And we're gonna go ahead and put these up for now. So, second part of the video, I do want to talk to y'all about a couple of shoes that's gonna be returning next year in 2026. One of them is an OG, one of my favorite OGs in this particular silhouette, and the best colorway in this particular silhouette in my opinion. So, next year, 2026, we will see the return of, yes sir, the Air Jordan 6 Black Infrareds, man. Can't wait for these to come back out, man. This is my favorite 6 of all time. Definitely the best colorway in the Air Jordan 6, man, the OG colorway. Now, this is my 2019 pair, still dead stock. And before y'all kill me in the comment section and say that he don't never wear shoes, I had a double up of these. I let my double up go. The worn pair, I got rid of them, and this is just the pair that, you know, I kept. I decided to keep my pair that was dead stock, and I just haven't put these on feet yet. But I'm still going for that 2026 pair. Hopefully, man, you know, they give us all the same specs, you know what I'm saying? Just give us, you know, some great materials. This 2019 pair wasn't bad at all, though. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This 2019 pair was not bad at all. You know, they got the color right on this one. Y'all remember the 2014 pair was pink. And, you know, I didn't pick that pair up because I was just like, that ain't it, man. That ain't it. I never went after that 2014 pair. And plus, it had the Jumpman on the back. This one has, you already know, that Nike Air. That's what we want. And I need them just like this, y'all. Just like this in 2026. And yeah, man, this is my favorite 6 of all time, man. Like, you know, these go crazy every single time. So y'all comment below. Let me know if y'all are excited to see the return of the Air Jordan 6 for the 35th anniversary. And hey, these gonna hit every time, man. As long as you keep them that jet black condition, man, these are a hit every single time. MJ won his first championship in this shoe. So this is iconic, man. This is greatness right here in hand. And hey, I gotta have a second pair, man. I definitely want to keep my double up. I was going through a phase where I was just trying to I just had too many shoes. So I was just getting rid of any and everything that I felt like I didn't need. But when it comes to my OGs, I like to double up on my OGs. And I'm gonna stick to that going forward. I think, you know, when it comes to like OG shoes and they bring them back in like the purest, rawest OG form, you gotta get 2 pairs of them. You gotta get 2 pairs of them. Cause like I said, I'm at the end of my run when it comes to my collecting. And I just wanna go ahead and, you know, pick up these shoes. Cause like I said, it'll be 10, 15 years again before they bring them back out. And you know, I already have my pair secured. So Jordan 6 Black Infrareds returning 2026. And the second shoe that's gonna be returning is going to be the Jordan 5 Wolf Grays, man. We haven't seen those since like 2011, cause I picked up that pair. I bought that pair and I beat those into the ground. I mean, I beat those to shreds. So I do not have that shoe anymore. That's when I first started really collecting. I think like back in 2011 is when I really started, you know, getting into sneakers real heavy and buying them. And that's one of the first shoes that I bought. I remember my first pair was the Jordan 13 playoffs back then. Yeah, it was those Wolf Gray 5s, and I think the Jordan 5 Black Metallics with the 23 on the side. That's my favorite Jordan 5 right there, man. That 2011 pair was crazy. That was special. That 23 on the side. I love when they put the 23 on the side on Jordan 5. So I know it's not necessarily OG, but you know, I love that 23 on the side. Just that little detail just makes the shoe that much better in my opinion. That's just me though. That's just me. But Wolf Gray 5, honestly, y'all, I don't have to have that shoe. I don't have to go back and get Wolf Gray 5s again. You know, it was a cool shoe at the time, but you know, it just depends on what we are in 2026. You know, it depends on what all we're getting. But after this year, I think in 2026, I'm gonna need a break. My pocket's gonna need a break because there's so much coming out this year that I'm probably gonna need a whole year to recoup, man. Because we're gonna be spending so much money this year on everything. It's just gonna be like, man, we gotta have a break. So, but it seems like Jordan Brand is keeping that momentum going in 2026, man. It doesn't seem like they're starting to let up anytime soon. They're gonna keep that momentum going. They're gonna keep their foot on everybody else's necks because it's a competition at the end of the day, man. I mean, it's a fierce competition between all these sneaker brands, and Nike is not trying to lose at all. But that's my thoughts and opinions on that, y'all. That's pretty much all I got for y'all today. Comment below, let me know, are you excited about the return of the Air Jordan 6 Black Infrareds or the Wolf Gray 5s that's returning next year in 2026. Let me know if you're going after either one. Like I said, for me, I just need 6s. I don't really necessarily have to have the 5s. If they fall into my lap somehow, I might hold on to them. But like I said, it just depends on what's dropping next year. It's definitely not a must cop for me, in my opinion. If that's the shoe that I would buy on sale. That's what that shoe is to me. That is a shoe that I would definitely wait to get on sale because I don't think that would be an instant sellout at all. Just being honest, I think that's a shoe that will typically sit. Jordan 5s aren't the most popular silhouette anyway, so that's definitely a shoe I would not go crazy for or anything like that. That's definitely a sale shoe. So we'll see what happens, and depending on when it releases in 2026. But like I said, that's probably one I can honestly pass on. Not necessary for my collection, honestly. It's just I've already had it Doesn't do anything for me. It's just an all gray shoe. And that's not knocking the shoe at all. If anybody watching this video likes it, by all means go grab it. I'm just saying it's not a must for my personal collection per se. So, but anyway, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and checking out this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to check out my videos as well. Truly appreciate the support that y'all been showing lately, man. Y'all been showing up and showing out in the comment section. So I got more content rolling in, man. We're gonna keep this train rolling. I should have a video for y'all every day all the way up until Black Metallic 5s drop, man. So y'all just keep showing out and showing support, man. I truly appreciate it. But I'm gone, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. But before I go, I just want to let you know, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. So always put your best foot forward. And on that note, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay fresh, and I'm gonna holler at y'all on the next one. All right, I'm gone.